Hey everyone, I got my hands on a couple of Xiaomi's new Buds 6 headphones ever since their official release. I've been really wondering just how well Xiaomi's semi-in-ear true wireless earbuds are performing these days.
Let's quickly review the headphone packaging, as it features the Little Chick Meow certification and something very important. These headphones support Apple Find My, which I find crucial, since many users own both an iPhone and a Xiaomi device. Next, let's look at the earbuds themselves. This one comes in a titanium gold finish. The upper part is glossy, while the bottom has a matte texture. Just by looking at the charging case, it might seem similar to the last generation, but once you hold it, you'll find it's actually smaller overall. What's more important is the improvement in details, and the first major highlight of these earbuds is their wearing comfort. First, when you open the lid, there's a prompt sound, a ding. Did you all hear that?
Then, take out the earphones. You see, these earphones have a very important feature. Their whole body is now matte. This is really great for users. It doesn't attract fingerprints, you know, and when you wear them, they won't look dirty.
And another small detail, specifically this curved section. They say it's more in line with ergonomics or something like that. To put it in plain terms, when you wear them, your ears won't get tired easily and they won't hurt. It adapts better to various ear canal sizes. After our studio colleagues tried them on, the general consensus was that these earphones are actually quite comfortable. You should know, for a semi-in-ear earphone, I believe this is a very important point.
Next, we'll connect to the phone. Pay attention here, a pop-up will appear with a lossless audio icon. Xiaomi has explained this, so we won't repeat it. I'll just highlight 2 points. First, in the sound settings for the sound mode, I suggest you try the first 3. Trust me, the difference from 845 is truly significant. Xiaomi's promotional specs are on screen, I won't elaborate. I also suggest you turn on adaptive audio because it can adapt to different ear canals. Another point is spatial audio, this immersive sound. If you turn it off, what I feel is the music playing from these headphones is in my head. When I turn them on, it feels like the music is circling around my brain. Do you understand? The third point is related to AI. That's recording and translation. Let's begin with the recording feature. You can see both earbuds and the charging case support recording. See the stem on the earbud? Press it 3 times right here and it starts recording. It'll show the left can record 90 minutes, the right can also record 90 minutes. Now we'll tap pause. See? After recording, you can import it to your phone. Look, this is what we just recorded. It will also transcribe it for you and then automatically summarize it. Another point we need to emphasize, the earbud case can also record. Just press the button at the bottom 3 times. It's the same as the earbud stem, understand? Next, let's talk about the translation feature. You can see there are 3 functions: dual voice interpretation, call translation, and face-to-face translation. Let's start with face-to-face translation. Okay, we can translate from Chinese to English or English to Chinese. Now it's very simple. You just need to give your phone to another friend you need to communicate with. For example, you're wearing headphones and now you speak.
Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
It will directly translate the English you speak to the international friend opposite you, and then after they understand, they will communicate with you in Chinese. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Then it will translate this into English and transmit the sound through your earphones, understand? This is very suitable for traveling abroad or communicating with international friends. I don't need to explain call translation, right? If someone calls you in English, you'll definitely understand. This simultaneous translation is very important. It has 2 audio sources, headphones and a mobile phone. What are the headphones best suited for? When you're in a meeting and someone's speaking English you don't understand, it translates directly into Chinese for you. Let's demonstrate an example now. Our input is English, translated to Chinese. He just said, if you can see in English, and it was directly translated to Chinese, coming through the headphones. And for phone audio, when you're watching a movie on your phone and don't understand the English, no problem. It translates it directly, so you'll hear it in Chinese through your earphones. Hey, hey! Also, what we translate turns into a file and gets stored on your phone, making it convenient for you to access later. To be honest, after experiencing it these past few days, my personal feeling is if I were currently using a Xiaomi phone and needed to buy true wireless earbuds, I would really lean towards these semi-in earbuds 6